Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. We have an awesome new video because there's a new rideshare app that is trying to take over Uber and Lyft, and by doing so, trying to pay drivers more money. So, thumbs up the video if you hate Uber and Lyft. No, I'm just kidding. Uber and Lyft are awesome. I love those companies, but you know, we all realize that drivers need to make more money. So, you guys know how I feel about it. Before I get started, I want to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking app that helps drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. No fees, no credit checks. You can earn 4% APY. There's no fees on overdraft up to 200 bucks. So if you go negative, they ain't gonna charge you. What else? You get cash back on your gas purchases. So check out Current, linked in the description box. They're awesome. And now let's get started. So this new company is called inDriver. You can check them out at inDriver.com. This is not a sponsored video by them. This is just somebody commented to make a video about them. So we're doing it. It says, take freedom into your own hands. We give people one of the most important things in life, freedom. Every day, our users make their own choices and close deals on transparent and honest terms without middlemen. They're in 625 cities in 42 countries. They've done 1 billion rides, 100 million users. So I choose us. Offer your fare. With inDriver, you are the one who decides on how much to pay for your ride. Specify a fair price for your route, get offers from drivers, and start saving on rides. That sounds amazing. I mean, that's from the passenger. So they're gonna say, oh, how much, you know, I'm in Orange County, I need a ride up to LA. You know, I'll pay 100 bucks. And a driver just says, all right, I'll take the ride. Freedom of choice. You know, and maybe some passengers don't even know. They're like, sounds like 200 bucks. And the driver's like, all right, I'll make 200 bucks on that one. Freedom of choice. Select the best offers from drivers, and they know the higher they go, the more likely they're gonna get that ride faster, right? That's how supply and demand works. Supply and demand, buy low, sell high. Select the best offers from drivers in terms of the price, vehicle brand, estimated arrival time, experience true freedom. inDriver always shows you the rating of each driver who responds. It also shows you the number of previous trips they've completed. You are the one who chooses the driver. You can even share your ride info and current location directly in the app. You are in control. So it's basically giving passengers like a better option, because that way they can and then drivers can, you know, choose to accept it or not, which sounds pretty amazing. So offer your own price. Our service are always lower than those of competitors, averaging just 9.5%. So as drivers, you can offer your own price. That sounds great. So it's not just for passengers to offer their price. Drivers can offer their price. They can only accept requests that make money. inDriver always shows the total cost of the ride as well as its destination. Don't like a passenger's price? Then offer your own right on the app. No middlemen. Get paid directly by passengers at the end of the rides. There's no need to wait for payments anymore. This could be the solution. They're featured in the New York Times. They're featured on TechCrunch. Wow, guys. They're featured in Bloomberg, Fox, Forbes, MarketWatch, Digital Trends. inDriver is available in, are they not in the United States yet? They're not in the United States, it doesn't seem like. Yeah, Algeria, Paraguay, Dominican Republic, Nigeria, Thailand. So I don't know why they're not in the United States, because guys, I think that if this company comes to the United States, they could potentially take over Uber and Lyft, because I think passengers would like this more, drivers would like this more as well. This seems amazing. I just wish that they were in America. I mean, maybe they're planning on launching this year. I mean, I'm gonna follow them on Instagram. I'm gonna follow them on social media, and we're gonna tell them, guys, we all need to go. Do they have a Twitter? I don't know if they do have a Twitter, but let's go bombard them. Comment down below if you think inDriver should come to America, or maybe you have bad thoughts on them, but from what I see, they seem pretty amazing. Seems like a cool business model, and they have amazing reviews too. I'll just show you really quick. This was their App Store review. Look at those 5-star ratings. That's a really good ratio. We could even see Uber. You guys want to see Uber's rating on the App Store? Well, they have a 4.6 rating. I mean, it is better than Uber's. That's actually kind of shocking that Uber has such a high rating, but Uber does have a lot of 1 stars. So anyways, guys, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts. Yeah, otherwise check out Current using our link down below to earn 4% APY on your interest. I do use Current right here. I deposited $1,000 just to see if it's working, and it is. I'm starting to earn interest. I've already earned 40 cents, and you can get paid up to 2 days faster. You can have no fees on overdraft up to 200 bucks. Sign up for Current using my link below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.